Hi, I am Shrirang from Bapat Classes. In this video, I will explain basic concept of set and how to write sets in roster form and set builder form. Set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Consider the devices connected to Surface Pro in adjoining picture. Now we can see that there are four devices connected to Surface Pro: Surface Pen, keyboard, mouse, and USB. This collection of different devices connected to Surface Pro can be considered as set. Let D be the set of all devices connected to the Surface Pro. Then D equal to left curly brace, pen, keyboard, USB, mouse, right curly brace. Now consider collection of all items available on the snack counter of cinema hall. Suppose there are 6 items: popcorn, pastry, coffee, cone, burger, and tea. Then this collection can be considered as set. Let S be the set of all items available on the snack bar. Then S is popcorn, pastry, coffee, cone, burger, and tea. Consider one more example. Consider the collection of two-digit numbers that can be formed from digits 0, 5, 6, and 9. We can form 12 different numbers using digits 0, 5, 6, and 9. 50, 55, 56, 59, 60, 65, 66, 69, 90, 95, 96, and 99. This collection is a set. Let T be the set of two-digit numbers formed from digits 0, 5, 6, and 9. Then T is 50, 55, 56, 59, 60, 65, 66, 69, 90, 95, 96, and 99. You know that we have formed different groups of 8, 9, and 10 standard students on WhatsApp to send home assignments, test reports, and messages to the particular group. Each group is a collection of students and their mobile numbers. Each group is a set. Let G be the group of all students of our 9th standard batch. Then G is left curly brace, Gayatri, comma, Sudip, comma, Sania, comma, Anish, comma, Yash, comma, Samyak, comma, dot dot dot. Now I'll explain two important keywords in the definition of set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects, and set is a collection of distinct objects. Now consider the collection of top 5 movies. Now different persons may have different collection of top 5 movies. For example, my wife will include one Hindi, three Marathi and one English movie on her list of top 5 movies, whereas my son will include four Hindi movies and one English movie in his list. My daughter-in-law will make a list of four English movies and one Hindi movie. Therefore, the collection of top 5 movies is not a set. Here the term top 5 is not well defined. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. We know that for our convenience, we create a list of frequently visited websites on our desktops, a list of favorite channels on set-top box, list of favorite songs on a music application of our mobile. We can consider these as sets. Let F be the list of frequently visited websites by me. Then F is bapatclasses.com, microsoft.com, sbionline.com and so on. Similarly, let C be the set of frequently watched channels on my TV. Then C is Animal Planet, NDTV, CNN, Zee Marathi and so on. Set is a collection of distinct objects, different objects. The repetition of element in the set is not allowed. For example, let L be the set of all letters in the word mathematics. Then L is equal to M, A, T, H, E, I, C and S. Here, word mathematics has 11 letters, but the set L has only 8 elements because 3 letters M, A and T repeat twice. Repetition of elements is not allowed in set. Set is a collection of distinct objects. We can represent sets in different forms. Number 1, roster form, that is listing method. Number 2, set builder form or rule method. And number 3, Venn diagram method. In the roster form, make the list of all elements present in the set. Let D be the set of weekdays. Then D set in the roster form is D is equal to left curly brace Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, Saturday, comma, Sunday, right curly brace. Consider one more example. Let E be the set of first 100 even natural numbers. Then the roster form of set E is 2, 4, 6, dot dot dot, 200 right curly brace. Here in set E there are 100 elements, but there is no need to make list of all elements in the set. Write first 3 elements indicating rule defining the remaining elements, put 3 dots and then last element. In the roster form, write the elements of set in the enclosed curly brackets with comma separator. For example, let C be the set of RGB colors. Then set C is C equal to left curly brace red, comma, green, comma, blue. In the roster form, list of elements is not necessarily in particular order. That is, we can write set C as C equal to red, comma, blue, comma, green, right curly brace, or C equal to left curly brace, blue, comma, red, comma, green, right curly brace. In the roster form, list of elements is not necessarily in particular order. Let's see with a set of RGB colors. Then we can write C in different forms. C is equal to red, comma, green, comma, blue, or we can write C as red, comma, blue, comma, green, or C blue, comma, red, comma, green. So in the roster form, list of elements is not necessarily in particular order. Now again consider the set of RGB colors, that is C equal to red, comma, green, comma, blue. Here green is an element of set C. We can express this using epsilon symbol. Epsilon means E and E stands for element. Green is element of set C. We can write this as green, then write epsilon symbol and then C. Similarly, white does not belong to set C. We can write this as white, then put sign does not belong to, then set C. Generally, uppercase letter is assigned to the set as its name, but some letters are reserved for the set of numbers. For example, capital N is used for set of natural numbers. W is used for set of whole numbers. I or Z letters are used for integers. Q letter is used for set of rational numbers, and R letter is used for set of real numbers. So please don't use N, W, I or Z, Q and R for any other sets. These letters are reserved for set of numbers. Set builder form. In the set builder form, state the rule defining all elements of the set. For example, let D be 1, 3, 5, dot dot 27. Here, all elements of set D are odd numbers less than 28. We know that odd numbers are 1 less than even numbers. For example, 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 is equal to 4 minus 1, 5 is equal to 6 minus 1, and so on. As 2 into any natural number is even number, 2n minus 1 is odd number where n is natural number. Then the set builder form of set D is D is equal to left curly brace x such that x is equal to 2n minus 1 where n is natural number and n is less than 15. Read this as D is a set of all x such that x is equal to 2n minus 1 where n is natural number less than 15. In the set builder form, colon means such that before colon write variable as element of the set, and after colon write rule and conditions defining all elements of the set. Use comma separator between the conditions. We can insert infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Consider two rational numbers 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Here, 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Now we'll add one rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. First add terms in numerator of the fractions 1 and 1. Next add terms in denominator of the fraction 3 and 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So we have added one rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. By using similar method, we can add infinite rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So we can insert infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. We know that there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Therefore, we cannot make the list of all rational numbers. So it is not possible to express the set of rational numbers in the roster form. We know that rational number is a ratio of two integers. Let Q be the set of rational numbers. Then the set builder form of rational numbers is Q is equal to set of all numbers in P upon Q form such that P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Let us recap what we have done till now. Set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. The collection of top 10 movies is not a set, as the term top 10 movies is not well defined. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Word mathematics has 11 letters, but the set of all letters in the word mathematics, that is M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, has only 8 elements, as the three letters M, A and T repeat twice. The repetition of element in the set is not allowed. Set is collection of distinct objects. We can represent sets in different forms: roster form or listing method, set builder form or rule method, and Venn diagram method. In the roster form, make the list of elements present in the set. In the roster form, write the elements of set in the enclosed curly brackets with comma separator. For example, if C is set of RGB colors, then C is left curly brace red, comma, green, comma, blue, right curly brace. In large sets, there is no need to make a list of all elements in the roster form. Write first three elements indicating the rule defining the remaining elements. Put three dots and then last element. Let E be the set of first 100 even natural numbers. Then the roster form of set E is left curly brace 2, 4, 6, dot, 200 right curly brace. In the roster form, list of element is not necessarily in particular order. Generally, uppercase letter is assigned to the set as its name. Letters N, W, I, Q and R are reserved for a set of numbers. If green is an element of set C, we can express this using epsilon symbol. Epsilon means E, that is element. Green belongs to C. Similarly, if white does not belong to set C, then you can use opposite symbol. White use does not belongs to symbol and then C. In the set builder form, state the rule defining all elements of the set. We cannot make the list of all rational numbers. So the set of rational numbers is expressed in set builder form as Q is equal to set of all numbers in P upon Q form such that P and Q belong to set of integers and Q not equal to 0. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will explain null set, singleton set, finite set, cardinality of set, infinite set, equal sets, subset, superset, and power set concepts.